Box cover, this is Dirty Berry and welcome to a brand new top 10 social media countdown. Now let's get right into it. Number 10, M and N split.
No! God, please, no!
My word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay. I cannot believe that Marvin and Nickeisha split up. Them break up. It's finito. Them done. They together anymore.
No! God!
So anyway, 2 weeks ago I mentioned, say, you know, allegedly Marvin and Nickeisha break up, but Marvin put out a video on social media denying the rumors and posted a video saying that they are very much together and still M and N.
M and M for life. Beez and the queen at it.
And all if the story come to bump, we see Nickeisha post up things, but she's so happy that she's free and she's learning so many things now. You know the usual thing a woman post up when them left from a breakup, because I don't know why when a woman is like them just sit down, pass some memes, them just save them up, say just in case me and this dirty drunk break up. I have them things you can post on Instagram. I don't know, them just always have them something a lot. Anyway, she posts up a bag of things, she started to play the song. I already got a new girlfriend. All of them something there, and Marvin, I guess he never get the memo. It looked like Nickeisha just blindsided him and just cut from the relationship. Nickeisha was basically like, now that you're out of my life, I'm going better. You know, that'd be funny if right about now, says she and Renee 630 and Dancehall Queen Sher just come back together and just become like Destiny Style reunited. I'm a survivor, I'm not gonna give up, I'm not I'm gonna work harder. So Marvin took to social media and posted this piece of episode I'm not gonna read right now. And then he went on Facebook Live. Anybody that was her saying negative things about the man relationship, Marvin tell them some piece of monstrosity.
Man, like when a woman never break up with one man, and a man never break up with one girl. Your mother, when one big dirty girl, when time she break up with a father, I break up with a stepfather. When I go suck all left people business alone. I'm gonna show on the head up on a big stinking dirty nasty. I go suck on the whole some on the business dirty. I'm gonna hungry.
What more do you want from me?
So into the middle of the whole of this, people been wondering why the Boxfoot Marvin and Nickeisha split.
No girl, no make nothing. Me talk to her as a man. I say, Nikki, do what you have to do, and me I go do what me have to do.
Marvin, you say you, people not pre know Marvin smart. Marvin left Nickeisha and go take up another girl with N as our brand. M and N, Marvin and New York now. Think some, give Marvin a round of applause, people. Give him a round of applause. Okay, so for those of who do not know who is New York, she was on Vibes Kartel's reality show that was called Teacher's Pet.
AKA New York from Teacher's Pet.
She's a twin. I mean, I want to confuse her with the New York when they dip on Flavor of Love.
The reality star New York from VH1's Flavor of Love.
Marvin and New York end up on one big old press release tour, them an interview with every single social media personality, and them end up talk with Facebook Hero. And when them on Facebook Hero live, Facebook, you know, say Facebook Hero and Marvin, they kind of have ads at some point, and they two of them did cuss out each other on social media. So when Facebook Hero go talk to New York now, things them get an exclusive interview. Box cover, out of the blue, no Marvin that popping in on the live.
I mean this, man, any girl you want me, I forget. You hear that? So stop telling people that. Remember, I'm not going to monkey in no time. I feel me out. Here, you're good. She tell me the rest. Feel me out.
Kiss her. Kiss her.
New York start to some more interviews and start talk about say what she can change a man. She don't know what Nickeisha bring to the table, but she can change a man with fear coochie, with fear zoom, with fear pulling it.
If me and Marvin ever get together, I promise you, I make this a promise. It ain't gonna be just the 2018 couple year.
Then she further went on the Brother Alive and gonna reveal that she and Marvin the Beez did actually go have sex.
So when did it start? When did it start? That one.
When he first came to New York.
That last week.
Yeah.
Marvin looked like say him did misinterpret the Jay-Z and Alicia Keys song. Yeah, the man literally went saying all of this, Nickeisha is pretty much very much silent and Marvin is just cross, angry and miserable, and Marvin just take to social media every day, every hour upon the hour. Marvin now leave no platform untouched.
New York, that's my friend. Me and New York, no, in and nothing. And that's my charge it.
Yo boy, right about now, me honestly just believe that the powers that be just give Marvin a reality show. Give Marvin a reality show, because no matter what, Marvin the Beez, him know how to entertain. You think Marvin is smart? Marvin understand what this entire entertainment business, this industry is about. Him know how to keep up with the drama. Him know how when you call him this, him know how to spin it around and just still keep himself current. Marvin understand the levels of being a celebrity and being a reality star. Marvin is to Jamaica what Safari is to America.
Oh, really?
Pre the levels. The two of them release videos where people are talking about them size. The two of them have been known to be with women who were significantly more popular than them. Yeah, Marvin used to do with Fantasia. All of these things. And them just understand the media hype and they will absolutely never back down from it. Marvin ended up talking about how people, girlfriend, bad mind him and them really secretly want him and then man vex with him because them girl are preem.
Eh? And all of them man, they will comment. Some of them man, they make fake page a comment. See, your girl still want your girl dream is to have sex with Marvin. Not even for there with me. Just a one night stand.
Oh, really?
I swear to God. Because them say, I may have the good ways. No one not blind.
Similarly, to how Safari took up on the Breakfast Club and I mentioned talk about the same exact thing.
Big penis. So, you know.
Yeah, whoever that guy was, his girl he probably looked in her web browser and saw the search for it. So I'm sorry about that, whatever your name was.
So fun and jokes aside, if I am going to talk, I am really, really sad that we no longer have Marvin and Nickeisha. We no longer have the Beast and the Dancehall Queen. Oh my God. We lost Beenie Man and Colleen. We lost Beenie Man and the Angel. We lost Beenie Man and Barbie. Ooh. Oh, we don't know the Beenie Man segment. There was that one and Aishana. And right about now we're gonna lose Marvin and Nickeisha. The only couple we have left is Shensia and Ramesh. So please don't let us down. Please. Well, that's it, Burritos. What are your thoughts on the whole entire drama? Do you think that New York is a good match for Marvin the Beast? Comment below.
Hey, this was really fun. We hope you liked it too. Seems like we've just begun when suddenly we're through.
Number 9, Spicy Redemption. Me foot back. So Dancehall Queen Spice put up some very, very shady post on her Instagram the other day. After the Prime Minister of Antigua, Mr. Gaston Brown, invited her to perform at the launch of his Labour Party. No, if you remember, if you can recall, some time ago, was it a year ago, when the athletes then they come from Rio and we have the little celebration for them down not it was a stadium, it was down a arena down there, so, and them did the miking, let us look back.
To make me proud so I can walk and boast and, with my chest high. I'm really, really proud of you guys. Congratulations, and I thank you very much for all that you have done for Jamaica. Truly thank you. Drop it. Waist. Open up the middle. What's going on? This thing round the backyard. Me know if you shake it up like a left to the right move like indicator. Quick to the left, make it jump to the right. Make your body start move, jump like a spotlight. Where's the rhythm? I'm gonna do it a cappella if you can't find the rhythm. I got this thing round the backyard. Me know if you shake it up like a shaker. Left to the right move like indicator. Like a quick me.
Just watching that, I still feel uncomfortable. Like, I just feel embarrassed for her. Just look back on the video there again. Boy, oh boy, boy, oh boy. But Spice, she's a queen. She overcome that because, and she's sticking to social media patrol because she. Spice wrote, when the Prime Minister for Antigua, Honorable Gaston Brown, sent for you to perform at his Labour Party launch, I guess you know what time it is. The people want the party nice, so they sent for Spice. Guess what? They didn't turn off my mic. At one point while she was in Antigua, them go do one like an interview, and this is what Spice had to say.
That Spice is here. So tonight is gonna be spicy.
Yes.
And you're getting a nicer than this.
Yes.
But I said for spice, it have a nice. Right. And I think that's the reason why I'm here to spice up the launch party tonight.
I can see that is going to happen
based on
what I'm hearing so far. But let me ask you this, because I've heard a lot of people saying that you sing a lot of smut. Is that so?
Well, I do, but for tonight I know where to bring it.
Keep it clean.
For tonight, I definitely know where to bring it.
You know where to put it?
Yes.
Where to bring it and where to put it?
Just like spice in the food, you have to know what to cook with. And then everything you put for every meat and everything and every flavor.
So you know you're gonna lay down good and proper this evening.
Properly, exactly.
So it's good for that Spices now laughing about the matter and she making light of it. But do you think it was shady burritos? Do you think that Jamaicans don't appreciate their own and so they have to go find love elsewhere? What do you have to say, people? Comment below. Number 8, Dr. Gas. Mikalabon. So this young youth, a medical doctor by the name of Philip Combs or Combs, has, him take it upon himself to go up on social media and go and be the medical educator for the masses. Since a social media and thing there, why not use him platform for start to educate people? And he did this video about the common gas pain. And when me say people, they just in a state of shock. They were in a state of disbelief because all our lives that we have been traversing this earth, we know the whole thing. Oh God, me I feel like a pain. A gas man, drink like a ginger tea. Yeah, so Jamaican people grow up, tea cures everything and every little pain, your granny tell you say, yeah man, a gas, but this man say no.
This next video is on the famous gas pain. Medically speaking, the term gas pain does not exist. Unfortunately, I am sorry. Now, when we Jamaicans say we have gas pain, what we're really referring to is either gastroesophageal reflux disease, peptic ulcer disease, abdominal bloating, abdominal discomfort, or constipation. The point I want to make about gas pain is that it can only occur in the abdominal region. You cannot get gas pain in the shoulder, the neck, the head, the knees, or the feet. I want to make that point very clear. A man would come in and say, boy, doc, I have pain in my shoulder, but I know say I gas, so I just pat it out and it gone. No, and that's how it go. Pain in these regions, such as the shoulders and the knees, can be due to osteoarthritis or muscle spasms. In the head, you can get a migraine.
Well, that's it. So thank you, Mr. Combs, for just ruining all our childhood. And right as me record this video, I say a video post up something about rubbing alcohol. And I'm not gonna watch it because I don't want to hear where I'm gonna tell me say, for just ruin my childhood again because I have alcohol in there and I used it last night. Ah boy. And now check out the random video of the week.
So the other morning I pick up this lady I get her lift, right? So she a Christian. I could have seen it on her too, she look holy. Anyway, so I did with her now and nah, like, I change her one gear in the car and my hand touch her leg still, you see me? When my hand touch her leg, it feel good, so I smile and look on her. I'm all here do, man, say Matthew 7 verse 7. You know me take my hand off her same time. And when me read through, me look and read and it say ask and it shall be given, if I did ever know.
Number 7, Gaza Bala. Me immediate clear. Don't ask me how I know that. So this video surfaced on social media one day with this man will look like Vybz Kartel playing football and at prison. And people are trying to figure out, is it the Gaza boss? Is it the world boss? Is it Adija? Is it Vybz Kartel? What is her going on? Pre. But from your look on the video, people, come on, man, you know, say you know, see that tattoo. I'm gonna think a Kartel like, I'm not laser surgery person, then I get a Kartel in name, so film thing kind of depend on a different level, cause. But me not think so nobody in there laser off him tattoo. All I know says that, you know, this whole idea of photoshopping video, it might be a true thing. Maybe Kartel have a lookalike out there. Can somebody confirm when this video was recorded, who in the video, is it that brother will just look like Kartel? Comment below, but yeah, this is not the Gaza boss, so yeah, no, Kartel this. Number 6. Voice notes. Oh no! I do not know what is happening with these people in Jamaica for like everything we are going on, you know, American news. All of a sudden people, you know, we want terrorize school, we want to bomb up schools, and they know we want to take on this habit of kidnapping young ladies. What is going on? I don't know what I want in Jamaica right about now. So apparently this young lady, she did leave campus. And me never listen to the whole voice note because it's 9 minutes long. But basically she jump in the car and people they want to take her away. And I do not know, like these days when you go take a cab, you have to get the license plate number, message your friend, tell them what kind of car, which direction you go, what time you board the taxi. You have to give them all of this information because you never know who is who and what is what. So be as safe as you can, people. Yeah. Number 5, Croc on the loose. Migizada! So this video kind of only was from, you know, some months ago. But basically this brother up on the highway and he had bucket up a crocodile. A crocodile pan the highway. How it reached there, I do not know. But the crocodile was just making its way when a barrage of people just congregate around the poor animal and I try get it into the police van. Pre.
War
want to put by mouth, you know, go by mouth. Go by mouth. Yeah, this jockey. Go by mouth, me better this jockey. Yeah, this jockey. You man look for me, you know. And look for me, want to trouble.
No, so you know, say all of them people here with their own Crocodile legit used to watch only for Animal Planet and National Discovery because everybody wants to be like Steve. Oh, right around there off Beckham, right about follow back of me, oh man. Oh, that was the worst Australian accent known to man.
Watch it!
But say any old said the crocodile bite off one of them put his man is a day like today. Oh, and a fun bit of information. Did you know that Jamaica don't have no alligator, we only have crocodile? And crocodile, yeah, when you more lucky and see no teeth. Can't say me never teach you something.
Alright, I'm finally hold him now.
So in the end, they have finally got the animal into the back of the car and hopefully then put it back into its habitat. Let me know, people, have you ever seen a crocodile before? If so, share your story down below. Number 4, pump up grind. Lighter! So the other day, Pampute put out this video on our Instagram. I do not know why I keep on finding them video on Pampute page. But yes, Pampute put out this video on Instagram where she basically just went into her back hers position with her head in down on one chair. And this brother around her just do all of the work. He was doing 99% of the work and Pampute was just there taking it the breathing. What more to say than that? Yeah. And now it is time for the big up segment. So first up, I have to big up this YouTube show that is called Chattabox. It is on YouTube. The link and everything are going to be down below.
Chattabox, 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 Chattabox.
Basically, it's a show that, you know, talks about and showcases how diverse we are as Caribbean people. And they have like different personalities and they're from the different regions. So
Chattabox is here to settle the score on topics that have divided men and women since Kartel first said up to the time.
And them talk about a variety of topics such as them talk about soca, them talk about dating, relationships, sex, all of these things that you know just make us such rich and vibrant people.
Chatta.
At least you know you're not a slut.
Oh nah, you're not about to still be by her.
Be with whoever treats you nice. Yeah. It don't matter. To the point where it was even my mom was even like, even if you fall in love with a woman.
Of Jamaican youth, they have to be a Rasta man and also an artist. Boy, oh boy, you can't get no more stereotypical Jamaican than that.
My name is Atachi. I'm 23 years old in this lifetime. I'm a recording artist.
And the Jamaican girl by the name Nickeisha.
My name is Nickeisha. I'm 24 years old. I'm from Jamaica.
Once again, can you get any more stereotypically Jamaican than that right there? Boy, oh boy, Nickeisha. So yes, people, make sure you check out the channel. The link is going to be down below. Make sure you watch it. It is going to be very informative. And if you're used to shows like The Real and The View and, you know, them sort of, you know, discussion-based shows, this are the show for you. So make sure you check it out. It named Chattabox. So yes, you can follow them on them social media at Chattabox Show on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, all over. So yeah, go and leave a comment. Link right below and tell them. So not a very show send you. And also, me have a big up Bounty Killer on receiving his award for mentorship from the JARIA, Jamaica Reggae Industry Association. Yes, so congratulations and keep up the good work. And also, me have a big up Sports of Jamaica. Make sure you follow them on them social media at Sports of Jamaica. Oh, and I forgot big up Prince Money for proposing to his girlfriend Inhale Me. Yeah, man, the dancer we can wind up our waist and double and all of them something there. Congratulations, Prince Money, and I wish you all the best. Oh, and by the way, you remember last week when we talked about the whole sovereign proposal, I'm gonna tell you something, say it was staged, that it was fake. Yes, it is true. It is now confirmed said fake because Shady, the girl who was seen in the video, she have her YouTube series, and she basically mentioned on her Instagram that it was a stunt, it was a prank.
You know, when I first did it, I had my hair in braids, and I swear Nobody knew it was China K, but then you, Mr. Dirty Berry, whenever my computer, somebody sent me the link, and I looked at it, and I was like, oh my God, on my mind series, China K bust now, cause Dirty Berry put me that video, I mean, I said, ha! My trick Dirty Berry, I mean, I watch, I'm ear Dirty Berry say.
This never come fool me at all because when people right there, see that girl? She named China K, China on my mind series. Yes, so I know the face, I know so she's in Jamaica right now.
You, Mr. Dirty Berry, and then you go show the video now with the blue ear, I say, Lord God, the people that are going to see me on the road and call me. Hey,
Wicked girl, China K.
thanks, Dirty Berry, I appreciate it.
Hey, this is JC Lodge, and you are tuned to Dirty Berry Social Media Countdown.
Number 3, church where? So people, if you are used to local TV, you're used to wake up at TV at morning time, you must be familiar with this man named Pastor Gino Jennings. The man there is basically like the Donald Trump of the pastoral industry. Him hard don't play the man, he's blunt the man, just say anything I find mind, him do not care. Him do not care who for shuffle or feather them or ruffle. The man just talk anything that come off a female and him get pure badness back of that. So recently he was caught in the middle of a social media storm after him go preach, you know, I'm church and pan the ear. After them share some comments on what women and how women should dress in the church. Basically, he collect them.
Oh! You so-called Christian-looking whores. That's it. Jumping in some church, flapping your ankle chains around, all on the choir, breasts hanging out, lips all red, nails painted red, purple, blue, green, long like bird claws. All this fake hair, breast implants, toenails painted with little fake diamonds in it. Your toes ain't richer. You're nothing but a prostitute.
Amen.
Yeah, man.
Wonderful, beautiful.
Go to church now. Go to church.
That's right.
Got nothing but a singing hoe.
How great thou art. How great thou art. But oh my gosh, how the man lick him lip as him start to describe the woman, them is like him a picture one hoe what him know and used to for a long time.
So-called Christian-looking whores.
That's it.
Jumping in some.
Oh, and you imagine coming into the church of God with the breastish arm showing and the waist with the thighs and the posterior just looking up, way up. Oh, jeez, the luscious lips and the hair just going in slow motion ever so effortlessly. Oh gosh, where's the lotion? No man. Pastor Jennings' level of detail is like no other can compare to that. The man descriptive, the man will talk about the type of jewelry where them put on them toenail. Oh Jesus Christ, no man, I used to primitive made it fast, but you fast to like the 98 power.
Got nothing but a singing hoe, a shouting hoe, a organ playing hoe, a choir director hoe. Hey, preacher. If what I just said describe your wife, you're married to a hoe.
And they say all this a go on, me just kind of feel sad for the woman them in the congregation because me don't want to know why the boxfoot they hard look at like the slaves them when they in the back of the jeep when Lupita did try to save them in a Black Panther.
Christian with skin tight pants, showing the very shape of your birth canal. Going to some church with the shape of your birth canal exposed in public and
But bear in mind that there is truth to what the man is saying, like people should dress modestly when they come into the house of the Lord. You can't show up your nipple and all them look something there and your body jaw exposed and them look something there. You have to cover up your little stuff them, but me don't know if maybe the delivery never did so good and just the way, you know, it come from a very mean place, so I dare so people just kinda say, yo, it might have feel a little way, but to be honest, yeah, Pastor Jennings not changed. Like the man there acted, you know, he don't not really care. He not care. Okay, no, let me go while I do my little research, I book up on a video of this. I do not know if this lady is a Christian or what, I do not know, but she did up on stage now, some black China sort of attire, and she did preach, you know, minister the gospel because you don't know when the spirit might accompany her, but yeah, she did do it right there, so. Let me know, Burritos, what do you think, especially the Christians, them want to know for comment. Were you affected by Pastor Jennings' words? Do you think that you're okay with it? Leave a comment below and just share your thoughts. Burritos, overall, what do you think? You're okay with the pastor talk to the congregation, calling women hoes? Comment below. And now check out the second random video of the week. begging. Me piggy bank. So the other day, this video did a circulate all over the place, and me back up the video on Facebook. And this, I guess this, you know, in the car, and this old man come up and beg them money. And when I say this man is original, the man is conniving, the man is just very clever with the words, the man witty, the man say exaggeration, the man just say Jesus people going to make it look like him a dead and a suffer, and he have been through the worst piece of atrocity it is them in a life known to man. Pre.
Begging the man something please, anything could I buy something to eat over the shop? Hungry, no money, boss. Not even $1 see the boss, I can show you. See the nothing, boss. Do I begging you something, boss? If I even party and a cocoa bread over here, so boss. No money. No go on, so boss. If I even $100 begging you, boss. Anything.
C'est big, c'est big, c'est big, c'est big, big, big.
Big. No, okay.
No, but I'm beg for some money, you know, I beg for some money, you know. And bear in mind that him no want a little $1, him no want a little cents, the man want money for go buy patty and cocoa bread and something for drink on top of that.
See, people my machine and it
no, man, are you, man? Me know you, man. Me know you.
What me name? What me name?
Me forgot, boy. Driver. If I even $1 can make up.
You know $1 about the place there?
Oh, no $1.
That's so funny.
Cool no big.
Where we get some money from?
Yeah, work. Me try to get that work. I know me not get no work. And yeah, work.
The junior work that needs any money.
Yeah, you must run up that so far.
You run up in that nothing.
Me not run up that
bills here, man. Bills here.
The party and cocoa.
No, man, give me the bill.
So all you mean for come and give the brother so $100? Oh, jeez, and people man have a point after all, man.
No. With your business, man.
Yeah, what could I go down with Uncle D?
Well, I even give you 5. So give me your job and give you 5.
So come on, give 5. Party and cocoa bread not have $2 and you give me $1.
That's another give 5 means.
You not do that.
The brother me think same, they don't go 5 feet. The youth smarter than that. Oh, I'm not calling youth, but the old man him smarter than that, man. The man say, no, you think yeah, I understand the level, but do the maths.
That's what I said, give me the bills, let me get the 5 bills.
Give up.
Well, that's it. Let me know what is your favorite thing that the old man said in the video. Comment below. And number 1 goes to... No laughing matter! Woo! So my word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay, my library. He, ha! So on Magnum Kings and Queens of Dancehall last week, this brother go up on the stage, and when me said the man shell down the crowd, the man shell down the stage, him shell down the whole judges, I am still in disbelief that this man find a hit song after just him laugh.
Jamaica, yo, choose me a reason with myself, I'm alone against the whole of them and tell me say me mad. But them don't know within yourself, it are the better, and the best way to chat to Father God. Hey, and when me laugh up with myself, the hypocrites them all that talk about, say me don't got the sense. But me not stop laugh off of them, cause me know say me magnificent.
The chorus, yeah, at the chorus for 2018. Anybody come this year, anybody try to come talk all kind of things, boy, you just pop the laugh here pan them. Right about now, more have to set the laugh here as my ringtone. Hee hapa! Hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Hee-hee-hee-hee-hee! Hoo-hoo-hee-hee-hee! Oh gosh, my heart budum. Jeez and people. Actually, I laugh, you know, my fake laugh first and then it go into the real laugh. Oh god, jeez and people. But anyway, so the artist name Hughpungeh at the first time I watch the program since this year, and yeah, I just enjoy the performance here. At least the performance I want to check out the whole show. So this weekend I go watch it as well, and see what is going on. And also, people, do you think I should start reviewing Magnum King and Queen of Dancehall? Comment below. May I think about it, I'm not so sure. Do you think I should start commenting, doing reviews on Magnum King and Queen of Dancehall every week? Comment below, let me know, and I'll try it. But yeah, the man named Hughpungeh, I hope him get through for next week because we want to see more performances from him, and as well as other things, other contestants them that are part of the show. What do you think about the song Burritos? Tell me, just tell me.
And scatter tappy laughing the man. You know, she say Kitty love the bad man.
Well, that's it, peeps. Thank you so much for watching another Dirty Berry Top 10 social media countdown. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you leave a thumbs up. Come on, people. We are trying to get to 4,000 thumbs up on this video, as well as leave a comment. I want to have over 500 comments. So leave a comment. You watch it, leave a comment, people. And also, subscribe if you haven't. I realize a lot of you watch my videos and you don't have one Google account. Set up a Google account so you can subscribe to my video. The red word is right there. It says subscribe. I want to subscribe. Set up a YouTube, a Google account, man, so you can be part of the Burritos family and increase me followership. My word name, so yeah, come here, try to get to 150,000 subscribers. I'm needing your help, so yeah, help me, man, help me. And also, if you want to follow me on social media, it is at Dirty Berry Show on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, all over. And if you want to email, book me and advertise on the social media countdown, which you should, in order to just email me, it is dirtyberryshow@gmail.com. Take care until next time.
So, may video pa yung name namin siya name.
Oh, yeah, the name is Daniel.
Daniel.
Yes, Daniel.
Nice to you, good Daniel. Should have contact people, man. Should have borrow money.